Pakistan meets France with Pani Puri, which is a popular street food in Pakistan. Let's get started.
We're onto something.
Let's grab some black garlic into a saucepan along with tamarind paste and a splash of water. Simmer this for a few minutes and then blend it and pass this through a fine mesh strainer. So this would be the pani portion of the dish. Pani just means water in Urdu and refers to the spiced liquid in pani puri. To make the filling, mix red onions with chickpeas, espelette pepper, lemon zest, lemon juice, black pepper, and olive oil. Another filling will be a simple mix of cilantro and creme fraiche. Now Chef Romain is going to teach us how to make the puri portion of the dish, which is basically a fried potato shell.
Laying down the potatoes. Pat dry the potatoes. Add the egg whites on the bottom side. Dusting the potato with the cornstarch. Just gonna brush off the excess flour. Place the bottom layer on top of the top one. Just cut up some circles. Oh, so gently. Fry the potatoes.
And that's the puri. He's also going to chop up an onion, peel it into its segments, and burn it in the oven, then blend it to make a powder. We now have all the components to make pani puri, but we call this pani pomme. Again, pani meaning water in Urdu, and pomme meaning potato in French. To assemble, poke holes into the hollow potato shells and dust with burnt onions, fill it up with our chickpea salad, and top it off with the creme fraiche and cilantro mixture, along with our pani, which is tamarind paste and black garlic. Garnish with watercress, and enjoy.